Okay, we will see the another kind of a project, right, where we will see that how we can install, how we can set up the Python based applications into the Jenkins. Now, when we say that, okay, we are going to use Python based applications, so I have this Python PyInstaller application, which is nothing, which is a simple calculator application, right, which will basically do the sum of the two variables. It has some of the two variables program, right, written code, and which will just create a calculator for us. And we have a test calculator and other things. Now, likewise, we have a Jenkins file, which is our go-to entry point file, right, to execute or to start the Jenkins job. So I have this pipeline. In this, I have a build stage where I'm executing my calculator.py, right? And I'm also having a test file, right, where it is going to generate the test report, and then it is just going to deliver this. Means it is going to add this particular thing as an artifact. Now, what I have to do is that I have to go to this particular application. I will take my SSH get clone URL and I'll create a new pipeline job. To create a new pipeline job, I'll write Python app. I'll give this as a name. I'll create a pipeline. I'll go to pipeline here. I'll go to pipeline script from SCM. I'll choose the git. I'll give the git repo path. Credentials, I'll give this, and I will put this here as a Jenkins again, and I will save this. Now I'll click on build now, right? So with the build now, it should start building up my Python based application, and it will basically compile that, it will check out, it will test it, and it will deliver. So now we see, right, any kind of a simple application. When we talk about the Python application, we talk about the Java application, we talk about the Node.js application. Even in if you have your pipeline and the things set up very easily, right, in your Jenkins file here. So if you have this configured in your Jenkins file, you can easily go ahead and you can run your Python applications, right? So if you see, if I go to the console output of this, you will see that I have this artifact already here.